Hey you, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Alina, Naza, and today we're at a different location than usual. We are on my roof. It's a beautiful sunny day, and I thought that this would be a great opportunity to make a video about how to take photos on a wide angle lens. A lot of us have that option on our phones, and even though we have it, I personally barely use it, even though it can come out with some great photos like these. Today I want to cover two main things. Firstly, the main primary necessary rules to follow when taking wide lens photos. So there are certain things that you need to remember when taking these photos. And secondly, I want to give you some cool ideas that I've experimented with myself to get you started on your own wide-angle lens journey.
So for the first time, I suggest you keep it simple and just find a really nice white wall with a lot of natural lighting. Get a tripod for your iPhone, you're gonna need that, and place it around the level of your knee/lower thigh. It's really important for the phone to be facing up at an angle and not straight on, about 45 degrees, just like that. The best way to take these pics is either to use a self-timer or put on a video recording and just screenshot the video after you're done to get the exact shots you want. And now, my darling, let's cover some of the rules. Do not be afraid to get super close. So that's me on a normal lens, and that's me on a wide-angle lens. You can see the perspective is way bigger. Okay, so avoid the size of the shot though. You want to keep yourself centered, because if you go to the sides, you're going to start looking a bit like Slender Man with your limbs and your face stretched in all kind of weird ways. So it's a good idea to just stick to the focal point, which is a fancy way of saying the center of the shot. You want your face to be around there at all times. Poses. Supermodel legs is the first one up, and if you want to look like Naomi Campbell, even though you're about 5'6", like me, this is the pose for you. You want to kick at the camera or slightly past it, get really close to it, because that's how it's going to look on the camera itself. Your legs are going to look miles and miles long, and you can pretend that you're falling back slightly. Notice how my face was in the center of the shot. Next one up is the come hither. That's going to be you leaning down towards the camera and framing your face just like so. You want to lean towards the audience and lean towards your followers, and make sure you're in a wide stance to keep your balance, and keep your hands really close to the camera to frame your face. One of my favorite poses, the booty bee pop in. So what you want to do is get a little bag, as you can see by my foot right there, and place it at the edge of the shot where the shot just finishes, so you know where to crouch down. And as you crouch down, your butt and leg, whatever is closest to the edge of the camera, will be stretched out to appear bigger than it actually is, giving you a wonderful hourglass figure. It's pretty cool facing forwards as well, so I would experiment with that too. The bag in your face, literally what it sounds like. So stand with a bag, swinging it forward and back towards the camera. Get close, don't be afraid, and you're gonna get some pretty cool, interesting shots like this one. And it's a great way to show off that new bag that you have, or just get a bit of a different shot and play around with a prop and object. And the last thing I suggest you do is just experiment. Get into all the weirdest poses that you can possibly pull. Don't break your back like I did. No need for that. Twist around, jump around, try to fill up the entire shot. The weirder the angle, the more interesting the shot will be, and you might just end up looking like Neo from Matrix.
Alright, thank you so much for watching. I hope you will find this video useful. First of all, focal point, you want to keep yourself in the middle. Remember that whatever is closest to the camera will be biggest. And third of all, just experiment, have fun with it. My name's Alina Naza. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share it with someone whom you might think would like this video. Please, please, please tag me in your photos. Show me what you came up with. And yeah, thanks so much. I'll see you in the next one. Ciao, ciao.